Welcome crafty friends, this is Rachel, Crafting Mama Bear. Today's video I will be showing you how to make a DIY Christmas centerpiece for under $15. This video is a collaboration with Stefani C here on YouTube. I will leave a link to her channel below. For the items I'm going to be using, this garland I believe was $1 from Dollar General. I just had it in my stash. I have some sand, I have a charger plate from Dollar Tree, some pipe cleaners, I got a vase for $2.50 from Goodwill. I got these, I believe it's called a flocked cypress bush from Walmart for $3, and I also got these white magnolias for $3 from Walmart also. And then I picked up some of the glitter branches from Walmart for 97 cents. These, in my opinion, are way higher quality than the glitter branches at Dollar Tree. I also picked up 3 containers of silver ornament bulbs, one in the smallest, second smallest, and largest that I could find. So again, this is a collaboration with Stefani C here on YouTube, and we gave ourselves a $15 limit for this project. Now that only included new items that we had to go out and purchase. So I will be using some old Christmas bulbs that I just had lying around in my basement collecting dust. So I'm going to incorporate those. So I couldn't decide exactly what I wanted to do with this centerpiece. So I'm going to be showing you my process of figuring that out, and that's going to give you 3 different ideas for centerpieces using all of these items. So for the first design, I'm going to take the charger, the 250 vase that I got, and this sand is from Dollar Tree. I already had it. I would say that this is probably 2 bags of sand. So I'm going to put that into the vase to make it kind of look like snow. And later on I did end up removing this toilet paper roll. It's a good idea. I probably should have used a paper towel roll, but the whole idea is to use less sand, and it gives you a nice opening to put your florals into. So for this first idea, I took this silver garland. I think it's 18 feet long, and again $1 at Dollar General. So I just laid that out on the plate. I'm going to take half of a pipe cleaner and thread 3 different sized bulbs onto it and just twist a couple times. And I've already done this with a couple others, and so I'm just going to lay them out around the outside of the vase, and then I will put another bulb on top so you don't see the little silver pieces. And now again, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, so I didn't glue this down. If this is the route that you decide to go, and you want it to be a little bit more permanent, by all means go ahead and glue it down. And then for the florals, I decided that I just wanted to use that frosted cypress bush. So this is a really quick and easy option for you. I am going to leave in the description bar below breakdowns for the prices of all of these different designs. I'll leave how much it cost me, and then how much it would cost you if you wanted to recreate it and you had to get all of the items brand new. So for this idea right here, I think it ended up being about $6.50 for me out of pocket, but if you wanted to do it brand new, it's going to cost you about $12.50 to get this look. So for the second option, I'm going to again use the charger, and I'm going to use one of the styrofoam pieces from Dollar Tree that I'm just reusing from one of my fall decor items, and this vase fit really snugly inside it. So I'm going to be taking the ornaments and hot gluing them onto the styrofoam. Now, it probably would have worked out a little bit better if I had one of the rounded wreath forms that's styrofoam from Dollar Tree instead of this one, but again, it's what I had and I was working with it. So when I did this one, I just went ahead and took the silver ends off of all of the ornaments, the parts where you can string it onto your tree. I took all of those off, and then I just pushed the end of the ornament into the styrofoam. And I did this all the way around so I could get a good idea of how everything was going to fit together and before I started gluing everything down. So here is the first layer of bulbs, and I'm just going to add some hot glue. If it's going straight into the foam, I'm just putting a layer of glue right around the top of the ornament. So once I had the base layer done, now it's time to add the bulbs on top to cover some of the styrofoam. And for this, I'm only adding glue where the top ornament is going to be touching the ones on the bottom. I hope that makes sense. So I'm not just adding glue all over it. I am trying to make sure that I'm only adding it to the parts that are going to be touching another bulb. And you just want to fill it in. I really like the very small bulbs that Dollar Tree has. They are perfect for hiding all those little areas. But you do want to make sure that you're using a variety of sizes just to get them, I don't know, a better look. If you could use all the same sizes, but it's going to be harder to cover up the little holes. So here it is, completely finished. It probably took me 15-20 minutes to get all those glued down, but I really like the end result. Now for this one, I'm going to take this silver garland rope again, and I'm just draping it over the bulbs. This is going to give you a very glam look. I like that the bulbs have a lot of glitter on it, and again, this is 3 packages of the Dollar Tree bulbs, but also some of the bulbs that I already had that I'm just reusing. So drape this beaded garland around, and then I'm going to take out the toilet paper roll, and I used more sand to fill it up. I think it took about 3 bags of sand to fill it up this bowl. And then I'm going to take these glitter branches from Walmart, pull them apart, and just push them down into the sand. This is a very glam look. I think this would be a beautiful centerpiece at a wedding for sure. But I would, if this is the route that you're going to go, I would probably pick up a couple more branches. I'd probably put 5 in there instead of 3 to just fill it up a bit. But for this look, it cost me about $9.41. If you were to go out and buy everything brand new, it's going to cost you about $20.41. And now that's just a complete estimate. And that's estimating that you get 6 containers of bulbs from the Dollar Tree. And so this last idea, I didn't show me taking anything apart and putting stuff in. I simply took the garland off of the top of the bulbs and I put in a little bit of everything. I used all of the flocked cypress bush, all of the magnolias, and I think I used 1.5 of those sparkly glitter branches that I just tucked in. And this is what I have on my table right now. I wasn't 100% sure that I loved all the bulbs around it. I actually think I prefer the look with the bulbs on the first one, and I've actually debated taking it apart and just doing that, but my husband really likes it this way, so I'm going to leave it. And also, that runner is just one of the Dollar Tree scarves. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below letting me know which design you liked the best. And don't forget to head over to Stefani's channel and see what she made. So until next time, bye-bye.